Yeah. We're back with this paper, let's get it. My confidence up, I'm winning. Money up, that's my mission. I can't wait on spending my money. I'm lyrically focused, I wake up and get it. Pick it up, let's get it. Money up, that's my mission. I can't wait on spending my money. I'm lyrically focused, I wake up and get it. We're back to this paper, let's get it. Money up, that's my mission. I can't wait on spending my money. I'm lyrically focused, I wake up and get it. Pick it up, let's get it. Money up, that's my mission. I can't wait to spend up my money. I'm lyrically focused, let's get it.
What's up, guys? It's Mystery Blues FX, and yeah, guys, this is the beginning of a new series. This is the higher time frame analysis series. So here we'll be just focusing on analysis. That's all it's about, like literally analysis. So yeah, another series will be the fair value gap series. I call that the burger series. Then the order block series, I call that the bun series. And yeah, this one is the sauce series, because altogether they form the what? The Krabby Patty formula. But you know, let's get to business. So right here, I'm not going to start from 6 months as I usually do. I'm just going to use the monthly 1 month chart, just only that. So here we have our 1 month BC. BC is buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. We have our buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency there. We have our higher time frame high. Let's just leave that there. Highs will be marked with blue and lows will be marked with red. Okay. We have our higher time frame BC over there. We look at where the market turned also here. Let's see. The market turned in another BC over here. So it's in 1 month BC. Right. So you can see that, okay, the market went up, exhausted, went up again. We are targeting this high. We want to break this high. We'll probably break this high in January. We're going to probably break this high. Or it might happen that we get close or take liquidity above this high this December. But I doubt it. December ranges. It doesn't actually expand that much. But yeah. So we have our monthly BC over there, and we have our high that we are targeting from since entering this BC. Then we go to the weekly chart. On our weekly chart, we see that, okay, here we have a weekly SIBI, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. So we're like, oh, okay, we have a SIBI there. Let's mark that as a SIBI. So 1 month SIBI. No, weekly SIBI actually. Weekly SIBI. Okay, we've marked that down. And we realize that, yeah, man, we still in a sell area. We actually haven't broken. Like, we broke out of it last week and entered into a fair value gap, also equaling a high probably. Also, it didn't equal the high. So we entered of it last week and went lower, found power to go up higher. But we're still in this area. So as we haven't really broken this area, if we were to break this area and go higher at any point this month, just know that Jan is going to be a crazy month. Because if we were to break this area right now in December and close above it, just know that what is Jan going to do? Jan is going to continue up. And you're going to see new crazy highs on NASDAQ, right? So, right now, okay, what do we have here? A 3 candle order block. A 3 candle order block, usually when we look for our entries, we look for our entries right here, right? on the second candle, the body of the second candle, would take an entry probably over here. And if you look here, there are so many gaps. You'll be asking yourself, why did it leave so many gaps? Those are called runaway gaps, like runaway fair value gaps. So yeah, we just mark that. That's a weekly busy. And we'll be looking to take, like if it were to come back here, we'll be looking to take an entry here, right? On this second candle, the body of the second candle on a 3 candle order block. These 3 candles are one order block. Okay. So what we would expect price to do is, okay, I know that, okay, we normally create our highs when we normally create our highs in the last week of November for the year, or the last week of October. But what we have seen here is that a low was created in the last week of October and a high was created in the last week of November. So it was a crazy low and high situation here because we broke the low, we took the low out first, and we took out the high. Market maker structure shift, allowing us to come back lower to lower prices. So what I want to do here is obviously add a little more few things, like, okay, so let's go back to the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, I'm going to start marking a lot of crazy things. This chart is about to be crazy, like full of a lot. Okay. Oh my god, I can't actually see what's going on here. Okay. So the 50% mark is way. I gotta find the 50% mark of this area. Wait for it. Is it here? Let's remove this. Yeah, it's there. So what this is, it's a consequent encroachment. So this is a 1 month wick CE. It's an important area because price will come back and bounce here at some point. We just gotta mark it. So you see 1 month wick CE. Also, this we can mark because it has, like, so what you do here is mark the middle of the big candles, because those are important areas. The market will bounce there at some point because they're in correlation with something. Like, they're in correlation with the time you will get certain entries. So I just gotta mark them. Just a reminder, guys, this is the higher time frame series, so like we're just analyzing here. So 1 month wick CE. Okay, we have that. So these two are really close, right? Then which candle can we use? Let's take this one. Even though it's small, let's just use this one. Last month's candle. Actually, last month's wick. It is last month's candle, but we're using last month's wick. Okay. So with last month's wick, we find the 50% mark of this, which is here. And we say this is a what? 1 month wick CE, right? Consequent encroachment. And if you look at price now, price is currently on the 1 month consequent encroachment. Really crazy. So restart chart. Okay, we have found the consequent encroachment, like that area. So now what do? We move to the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, we look for the big wicks. So like where there's a big wick, we're gonna use that. So let's use last week's price. Okay, last week's wick was really crazy, right? So let's use that too. We mark this with this, and we found the 50% mark, which is probably here. I take that, I remove it. Okay, this is the weekly wick. Oh my god, I just changed. Sorry for that. I just need to find it again. It's gonna take me so much time. What did I just do? As you can see, I analyze a lot. Sorry guys, so we're back. CE. Okay. I said that's a weekly one. So this is an important area because this is where you'll find your fair value gaps, your order blocks, according to time and price. So this goes hand in hand with time and price. And if we look at this, obviously here we acted off this busy, but you know the other ones we use this busy 1 week busy. We didn't use the other ones because they were runaway gaps. Okay, we got that. So this is a 1 week busy. I'm thinking of marking these other ones, but let me just leave them out for now. But you know what, nah, what's the point of leaving them out? Because I'm teaching this right now. Okay. Okay, we take that and we mark the 50% of this. I know this is probably boring content, but the boring content is the one that actually makes you successful, because it's something that not everybody wants to learn. Crazy part about life. The boring content is something that nobody really wants to learn. But anyway, those that are going to watch this are going to learn a lot, and those are going to have patience with this. So this is a weekly CE also. This is just for the week, using this one. Also this one, I'm thinking of using this one too. I'm not going to mark a lot because my chart is going to be crazy full, because I still need to mark the ones on the daily chart too, to make more sense of everything, you see. So let's move that right there, move it to the high, move it to the body. As you can see, like, I know even when I learned this, it was boring content, but look at me now, catching crazy moves on a weekly basis. So this is also a 1 week CE. Okay, so that's enough for now. Let's go to the daily chart. Daily chart is interesting because I'm gonna just mark 1 and 2. These two, just gonna use these two for now, to make more sense of what is happening. So okay, on the daily chart, we mark the consequent encroachment of this week. This is a daily wick CE, right? There's so many consequent encroachments you're gonna mark. They're really important and play a big role. It's just that people don't know about these things. This is like something crazy in the Krabby Patty formula that we are forming, right? As I told you, we are forming the burger, the perfect burger. So I also mark the 50% on this. 1 day wick CE. Okay, right. What did I just remove? I don't know what I removed, but it's fine. Let's restart the chart. So there's a lot of consequent encroachments here. You will see a lot of things happening. What do we have here? We have the order block, the daily order block. And right here we have another order block below this weekly busy. So what I would like to see happen is us break this low, come react off this order block and go up to higher prices. Excuse me. So we go down to the 4-hour chart. I love this because on the 4-hour chart, not a lot is going to show anymore. You see, look at how the market turns off the consequent encroachments of the wicks. Just to show you how this is crazy. Look at the body is respecting these areas. Just look at it. It's like I mark something and look at how it reacts on the 4-hour chart. We go down to the 1-hour chart just to show you it is reacting the same way. So, okay. Let's talk about ideal setups of the week, right? The first ideal setup of the week will be using this body right here. This body right here. And targeting is these highs. You see, it is these highs. Body 20 point or 30 point stop loss. 25 point, it's fine. We target these highs. That's an ideal setup for this week. At the what? The order block. The order block. The 4-hour order block. One of the ideal setups this week. Okay. Then another ideal setup this week will be, like, I really doubt us breaking this high, but when we move to another time frame, 1 hour time frame, you will see that, okay, there's order blocks, so many order blocks. So another ideal setup, let's remove this one, will be to catch a sell here, because there's a SEBI right here. Probably most of you are no more watching anymore. This content is boring. I also know it's really boring, but at the end of the day it pays off. Take a trade, take out this low, crazy trade, stop loss right above the highs, boom. Ideal setup also today that might play out, you see. So I gave you the ideal setups, guys. So this was the first video of the higher time frame series. I hope you enjoyed. It's not that crazy, actually it is crazy because I gave you crazy stuff. But on the next episode, we're gonna move on to some more consequent encroachments of higher time frame things. And yeah, this series will only have 1 episode per week, because literally it's the weekly analysis. So I just gave you an idea of what to look for on the charts. And yeah, guys, it's been a great video. I enjoyed making this a lot. Yeah, it's that type of unique content, guys. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for when I upload. Guys, it's gonna be I told you this December we're gonna upload a lot and keep on working, guys. It's the Sombonyo way. Thank you, guys.
Woke up like this, I'm going big. She gave me a kiss. Mwah. That nigga sick, I'm going big. I am a king. Yeah, nigga, I'm in. They couldn't close all the gates cause I fit. Kicking your shins. I got no time for no quit. T63 in the mill. Now that's the deal. I'm getting bigger and bigger, I mean. Little by little, I'm